You know why you keep missing your entries? Or why you keep watching the charts waiting for an entry? It is because you do not use stops and limits in trading. Now, don't get it mixed up. It's not like watching your charts and waiting for the perfect entry is bad, but there are better ways to do this and still enter the trade at the right time, and it is called setting stops and limits. Now, what are stops and limits? Stops are levels used when you want to place a trade to move in the same direction of the trend. In other words, they're used for trading continuations, while limits are levels used when you want to place a trade that will move in the opposite direction of the trend. In other words, limits are used for trading reversals. Now, in case you are confused, let us look at this concept differently so you can understand their definitions. Let us assume you are a bus driver driving on a straight line and you have 5 bus stops to reach before reaching your final destination. When you stop at a particular bus stop to pick up a passenger, we can say that you have hit a stop, but in terms of trading, instead of picking up a passenger, you're picking up the price in which you set the stop to. And as for limits, it is the opposite of stops. For limits, instead of continuing on a straight line, you will move in the opposite direction after picking up the passenger at a bus station. In conclusion, we use stops when we want to trade continuations, and we use limits when we want to trade reversals. Now, we have 2 types of stops and limits. They are buy-sell stops and buy-sell limits. Buy-sell stops are stops you set in case you want to buy or sell in continuation with a trend, while buy-sell limits are limits you set in case you want to buy or sell in the opposite direction of a trend. I hope this video has been able to clarify this concept for you. Thank you for watching this video. If you need very accurate Forex signals, join our Telegram group. We provide one of the best Forex signals that can take your trading account from 2x to 10x. Be a part of our community today. It is totally free.